Hello, joto media no ambai yapayo. Jini 44 ang beli block committee ni president by akhe ang misal YTF central committee ni secretary ya jo media ma pha. Kau khe lai thanai 19th November je जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच ये जे Christian जिनी brothers and sisters जिनी ताकुम खुतोना जिनी Christians रौनो जे ST facilities नि जे ban खेना ST certificate cancel खेना हिंजे ब्राउनी जे काउ साखलाई मो आबनो बारी के स्नियो we strongly condemn it to such a immature and dirty politics game played by the Janjati Suraksha Mancha. We strongly condemn it. If they are there enough, if Janjati Suraksha Mancha is there enough to organize a protest rally on 25th of December during Christmas, if they are there enough, as a YTF, as a youth Tipra, I would say that most welcome. Abono chung san na yo. Jini जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच मा हलाबो जिनि बिश्वजित ताको फायर सर्विसमैन बिश्वजित देवन मानो नागरिक सुरक्षा मंच आरो जे ब्रुटली खे ओ साउथ तुइदिं खे बुथाय मखे बु निनि आमफोखे बु जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच हिंक्रै जनजाति सुरक्षा मंच खे अब सुदु केहा एकटा पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म ऑफ बीजेपी पार्टी नि केहा पॉलिटिकल प्लेटफॉर्म Aporo chini tiprasa no Hindu Christian Muslim sinye saye jung be jono phelerie jono sakawo chaklo ni naimoni game abo jong joto tiprasa rabo sin nangnai not only Christians even those who are Hindus tiprasa chini tiprasa Hindu tunai chini takum khurapho abole sithainao jong amnes already minority jongno jodi se religious minority group hinye Christians here to know one ke khao ya ke jini Hindus here khao ya ke jong oro jini number simjang thangnai abon ba e ang sanim chu je Manipur je gotona ungmo abo Tripura o experiment khene tanai di hor jongnai hor abo je brui whoever maybe I don't care abo brui spo ang sni abo no Sini pun naya Janjati Suraksha Mancha ni abo mau habo post tong abo nai pun naya kintu she is totally immature lady I would say ekdom ek number bat par khasiya keha burui yung ye bung sang no educated person he bung consider kyo bin mentality nung tre keha ne kau bai ke ni Trekan cabi baiknya nini abo ne bau ye sanim chu phedi chung tiprasa we must stand as tiprasa and we must die as a tiprasa chung tiprasa ung se ba chani nangnai chung thuipho tiprasa ung se chung thuini nangnai not as Christians not as Hindus not as Muslims not as nini Buddhists oboding kheya chung je dharma khe tongpho we must live as tiprasa we must die as a tiprasa obose chini kau maungnai jong sara Tripura o tongo bo sara Tripura ni je peace and harmony je chang khe tonglai mo bo sorbos tong sala phemono do not try to disturb bono disturb khene tanai di Nong pa daito tinang thampu o nong Janjati Suraksha Mancha. What do you mean by Janjati Suraksha Mancha? Suraksha manet ma joto no safe joto no mane drawe tin man bose kinini Suraksha Mancha ong nali ki Suraksha. Nangke nong decision lapio BJP ni netaro be sakna Agartala ne ajo tunai ro be sakna Rampodo Jomatia be sakna Madakara Rampodo Jomatia. Gian krui RSS nini no o kehapho thangye malaya ongye nongnon nijeni smang long polton nij chawe ma thini na rampodo on bage chong joto tiprasa chong kau ba tona chung bai chung no je chinim si je politics abono chung hongmono chung khasile na am ba epedi let us all live together. We do respect all the religions, as India is a secular country, as Indian constitution is secular. Therefore, whoever lives in India, we have a freedom to choose our own likes religion. I can follow my religion. I like Christianity, so therefore I am Christian. It doesn't mean that somebody can forcefully convert me into Hindus or Buddhists. Not like that. India is a secular country. Therefore, we have the right to choose our own religion. India is secular country. Abone bawe chini adhikar je janjani hami amodor mukheni chini adhikar to abo do not try to violate Indian constitution, Indian ain no nos dokhin tanedi. Therefore, we must live peacefully and harmoniously. Let us all stand up and protect the constitution of India. Jotona hambai asuno kau sasine khaksa.